Install the O19. First, go to preparation mode. Whenever you switch on the instrument, go to preparation mode. In preparation mode, we can see all pressure which comes to the pressure transducer, and we get all information what happens with the transducer. At first, we have to clean the measuring cell and the tube between measuring cell and pressure transducer. We start with ethanol. We suck the ethanol to the syringe and press it through the tube to the chamber of the pressure transducer. We fill it until the seal of the transducer. Now we remove the ethanol from the transducer and from the measuring cell. Please take a white part of the tube to have no pressure. Put it in the transducer channel and suck the liquid. The same with the measuring cell. Now we do the same with distilled water. Our solvent is Ringer solution. We fill the syringe with Ringer solution. And degas it. Now we fill in the degassed Ringer solution in the measuring cell and do it in the same way. We fill the pressure transducer. The liquid has to come above the white seal. Now we close the pressure measuring cell. Now we use the prepared membrane, gray color always, and we take the shiny side up into the measuring cell. Now we close the system. It becomes dangerous. We have to look at the monitor and hear to the noise. Now be careful. Look at the monitor. stop when the beep is starting. Now we connect the outlet valve with the bottle and the inlet funnel with the bottle. To connect the tube, we can prepare it with a tool. Make it wet. And connect it. To check if everything is stable, we take the liquid of our solvent. The solvent is also ringer solution, the same, which is inside the measuring cell. We fill the inlet funnel and suck the liquid through the measuring cell by opening the outlet valve. Before the end of the tube, we have to close it and suck the rest of the liquid with another bottle. So we have always the same height of liquid. Now look at the monitor. We should get now a stable baseline. And if everything prepared as well, we can start with the measurement.